outfit matches the couch. I'm here at Koriaki. It's raining. I think it was raining. I think it's just drizzling now. I'm sitting in the corner table and it looks really refreshing outside. Like, I'll show you. I ordered a hot and spicy ramen. That's my go-to when I come to Koriaki. It's like really good, and I feel that's like the perfect food to have when it's like raining. Like, it's really very, like, you know, a comfort food. And all the songs they're playing here, it's like, I love them. I really like the interiors of this place. It's like really very colorful and it's so exciting to like be here. You get all the energy. Even if you're tired, you just come in here. It feels like a club, you know, and that's like really nice. I can't wait for the ramen. I think it's been like 10 minutes already, and I know they're like preparing it, but I don't have the patience because I'm so hungry. I haven't like eaten anything the whole. No, I did have a, like, I had bread toast with bullseye in the morning, but that's not enough. Now it's like almost 4 or 5 o'clock and I'm hungry. Meanwhile, okay, let me show you the interior of this place. You'll understand what I meant. I remember like growing up when it always used to rain. I loved having ice cream in the rain. I have no idea why I liked having like cold things when it's like raining. And now when I think about it, I really can't have cold stuff when it's raining. I prefer more like, you know, hot, spicy and like soupy things much more. And I really like it. And I do try to have ice cream sometimes. Like, do I still feel that way? But no, I don't. And I don't know if it's going to change also someday. Maybe it can just change. But as of now, I like having like hot and more like soups. And if it's like spicy, that's like the best thing. My ramen is here and you're not ready for this. It's too yummy. I was so hungry and I was like, let me order it. But now when I look at the bowl, I'm like, yeah, how are you gonna finish this? Let me dig into it. The thing about this ramen is that the spice of this, you don't feel it on your tongue, but it just hits, like it really hits in your throat. Like, I took the first one and I was like, started almost coughing. Someone chilling next to me, like having the best time and getting the best out of this climate. I'll show you. You know a thing where you have something really spicy and the next thing is you want something sweet and cold. So that's where I am. I just got a taro boba